Hi there. Part 2. This is the one where we make Grand Theft Auto 6 using the cube. Oh yeah. So last lesson we looked at grab, rotate and scale on the ordinary cube and zoom in, zoom out. With the cube selected, we can edit the cube. So to do that, we hit tab to enter the tab field. And if you look up here, we've got vertex select, which is these little points. We've got edge select, which lets us, by left clicking, select individual edges, or face select mode, which lets us grab an individual face. And just like in object mode, we can use G to grab a face, so we can pull it around. We can use R to rotate a face, and S to scale a face, which lets us do things like that. The same also applies if we go to edge mode. We can just select an edge and scale that edge up and down, or R to rotate an edge. You get the idea. A vertex you can grab as before, because it's a single point, you can't rotate or scale it. See? You're just checking. Okay, what else can we do with this? We can grab a face and we can extrude it, which is like squirting a tube of toothpaste. Extrude begins with an E, so you hit E and you can drag out. So you can click a different face and extrude. Now we're building. So we've extruded a few. Let's do another one. Extrude. We're making a bit of an interesting shape. Yeah, just like Grand Theft Auto 6. Cool. What else can we do to this? We can inset a face, which is a bit like beveling around a mitering around a door. So inset, I for inset. Click I and drag in, and can you see we've got these little inset faces. So now we can extrude out, or we can even extrude in. We could also select a single face, one of those, and extrude it. You can also hold down Shift and select more than one face to extrude, scale, or rotate. You get the idea. So if I hit I to inset, I could select that face, hold down Shift, click, click, and then extrude. And then I could do S to scale, and they'll scale down. Cool. Have a play with that. Let me know how you get on. Thank you for watching.